Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you all are keeping well and following the necessary COVID protocols. घर पे रहना, सुरक्षित रहना. So, before I start, I would like to ask you one question. Have you ever wondered what is the secret formula of the preparation, the exam preparations in the last 15 days, or for that matter in the between 1 or 1.5 day gap which you get between exams? So I myself have been a student and I know how it pains a student to complete the portion, the entire syllabus in the 1.5 days. 1.5 दिन में इतना वास्ट समंदर जैसा पोर्शन कंप्लीट करना कोई हलवा नहीं है. बट वी डोंट हैव एनी ऑप्शन, वी हैव टू डू इट. सो बिफोर आई स्टार्ट, a humble request from my side is stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to like and press the subscribe button and share among maximum number of people, your students, your colleagues possible, so that everyone can get benefit from this video. So let's say you have attempted your first paper, that is financial reporting. You reach home around maybe 7 p.m. You take a nap, wake up, refresh yourself and start studying. See, the main thing is you have to take the 1.5 days into 3 parts. You have to divide it into 3 main parts. So on the day after you give your exams, that is for the previous paper. Next, second part is in the day between exams, and third, on the day of exams in the morning when you get adequate time for preparation. So first formulate, first half an hour at least after you give your paper, you just formulate the chapters into 3 portion कि ये मुझे ये टाइम पे करना है, that is on the day after exam, in the middle day and the final day. पहले ये clear करो, bifurcate करो कि which chapter you have to study when. And now you might be wondering कि boss which chapter to study when तो ठीक है, but कौन सा chapter would be better to study after the exams or in the middle day? So for that the answer is, you might be aware, or rather you must be aware which chapter is important and scoring, that is the quantum of questions asked in the exams and the frequency as well, if that is relatively higher, and also you are able to score marks, मतलब practical है या maybe theory है, still there is high chances of scoring greater marks. So those chapters should be taken up only and only in the day between exams, in the first session, that is when you wake up in the morning, when your mind is बोलते हैं ना at a peak level of performance, सबसे ज़्यादा fresh तभी अपना mind होता है. So I have seen this problem कि जो important chapters है और rather scoring भी है, many students make this mistake of taking up those on the day after exams, मतलब पहला पेपर, previous paper attend करने के बाद when they reach home. But the problem is your mind is already drained out the entire day because you had prepared for the previous paper, you gave your exam in the 3 hours, and although you have taken the nap of half an hour or 1 hour, whatever the case is, still your mind is not in good shape, your mind, your brain. So that time only those chapters which are not very important and which are a part of your strengths, मतलब you are in a better position to solve or to practice those sums, and which you are able to do it quite easily than as compared to the other chapters. So this point, please note it down कि which and what kind of chapter you have to study. And then last important thing is कि set small targets, कि allocate half an hour or maybe 45 minutes to this particular chapter, maybe 2 hours to this uh, maybe which is very extensive or quite important, and you take up in the middle wala day. So you have to remember ki if you take up those important chapters which require concentration on the last day, because if you are not able to do justice to that on the middle day, then it would create pressure on your mind, because there is always this घंटा which would ring in your mind कि अरे सिर्फ 2 घंटा 3 घंटा बाकी है एग्जाम्स के लिए, and in that pressure you may skip some important provisions, some important case studies, and ultimately the effectiveness and efficiency gets hampered, and you won't be able to cover it correctly and properly. So जो लास्ट दिन है, मतलब on the day of exams, you have to take up the extremely important snippets, that is small extent and things which you have marked in your study preparations कि बॉस ये अगर करके नहीं गया then लफड़ा हो जाएगा. For example, maybe in SFM, in portfolio management for example, there are some big formulas, so which are very difficult to remember. The efficient market hypothesis theory or Black-Scholes model or whatever the case is. So you can figure out कि which are those small important things which जो बोलते हैं ना नज़र घुमाना उसके ऊपर is necessary just before your exams. हाँ, but this thing is to be done in the 3 to 4 hours before exams. And when I talk about the early morning part, that is the first half on the day of exams, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. or whatever the time is, 6 a.m. Some people might wake up early, rather there are many students who wake up early. So during that time you have to ensure कि whatever residual portion is there you complete it and no pendencies are left. Most important thing is no practice the previous examination questions or practice manual. This mistake some students commit कि they see questions and they forget to cover many provisions. उसके चक्कर में थोड़ा सिलेबस और राधा 30%, 25 to 30% ऑफ सिलेबस कवर होना रह जाता है. सो माइंड यू, these all points are from my own experience as well and brainstorming among many of my friends, my colleagues, etc. So all the best guys, work hard, be in composure, calm and collective state of mind, and remember, commit yourself 100% from your end, the efforts which you give, and leave the rest to God and destiny. All the best guys, and remember my mantra, there is a reason for my existence. No longer will I live in ignorance. I am here to make a difference. God bless you. All the best. Goodbye. Jai Hind. Thank you.